In this video, AutoMods performed a high-end audio upgrade on this Lamborghini Huracan Spider. The first thing we do when a vehicle arrives is to protect the areas we will be working on with a temporary protective film. To upgrade the door speakers to Focal KX2s, a speaker adapter was fabricated that uses the factory holes. A foam ring was added to the adapter to seal the space between the speaker and the door panel to focus the sound into the vehicle and increase the mid-bass. The tweeters fit perfectly in the factory location under the grille. A form-fitting subwoofer enclosure was made for the passenger footwell that houses a 10-inch audio mobile sub. The enclosure has a magnetic trim panel that is wrapped in matching carpet to mimic the factory panel. The ARC audio amplifier and Moscone processor were located in the front trunk with a custom trim panel. Lastly, a bracket was created for the fuse to attach under the hood to existing hardware. Thank you for watching our video. This is Becky from AutoMods. Feel free to contact us with any questions and to learn more.